Well, here we are, the Premier Inn T4 Heathrow. Now currently Terminal 4 at Heathrow is closed. However, the hotel is open, and it was open last year. And I booked it because I believed it would have good runway views, and it does. But they gave me a room on the 6th floor, and I said, why can't I have the 7th floor? It said it's being totally refurbished. And this is now the fruits of their labour. This is their new Premier Plus. So we come in, we are greeted, we have an ironing board. To me, that along with an iron, which is there, is essential for an airport hotel. I believe essential for any hotel. We need to use our key card to switch the power on. Have a nice mirror. Oh no, I say it's nice because if you press this button, it does that. That's nice. A hairdryer, which we all know if you watch the channel, I don't need. Hanging space, a towel. We have a little stool if we're using that as a vanity mirror. Okay, let's explore further. A couch or luggage rack. Flat screen TV. There we go. The famous Premier Inn bed. Now, there's something, I can't put my finger on it. Is it because it doesn't have its foot cloth or what? But it does look a little more luxurious, a little more laid out substantially. But let's pull it back. Immaculate, lovely. And of course, to me, it's one of the perfect mattresses in any hotel you'll stay in. Beautiful. Not so sure beautiful, but I guess it's in the eye of the beholder. A modern room. Should have PowerPoints by the bed, and they should have USB. They do. Let's go to the other side. And again, we have a PowerPoint and USB. Excellent. Air conditioning, which is buzzing away in the background. It's all looking good. The view, we'll come and have a look at the view in a minute, because that's the reason why I picked the room. A Premier Inn food fair, which they've just comped my breakfast, as there was a little problem at check-in. So that's cool, so I will be having a Premier Inn breakfast. Telephone down to reception. And now we're posh. We've got an espresso. Normal tea and coffee and a kettle. There's a big mirror in front of me, which we won't be using. I've got a fridge. The blurb says complimentary water, but they really have rushed around to get me this room, so I can forgive that. And a nice, relaxing chair. Well, let's go and have a look in the bathroom and see what we make of that. It wasn't the aircon buzzing in the background, it was the fan in the bathroom. Towels, as I said, this is brand new, this is recently refurbished. And of course it's immaculate. Rainfall shower, lovely. And we now have, still in the environmentally friendly dispenser, but we now have what looks like posh smellies. Excellent. Let's have a look at the loo. Yeah, immaculate, lovely. I'm going to step out the shot and you can see a nice big mirror. So, yeah, all in all, I'm impressed so far. This is the reason why I booked the room. Not necessarily a reason why you might book the room. Is the runway view. Well, we certainly have one. What we will see, you will have to check out the channel. You never know what might pass this window in the next 18 or so hours. Alright, thanks for watching. Details of the hotel, like I said, stayed here before, made a video on the hotel. I've been downstairs, I've had a drink at the bar. It's the same as before, so there's a link on the description of the hotel in general. And if you like this video, if you like having a look at the new Premier Plus room, please give the video a like. And I review hotels from all over the world, all shapes and forms, budget, luxury suites. So please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks very much for watching. Take care. Bye.